one A380 Qantas leaving, and then the next A380 Singapore Airlines coming in. So we're here at the Sydney Airport, and we're going to go up to Central Station, and we're going to catch a train to go to the Blue Mountains. And I have my Opal card. Tap our card, and we're through. Now we're just going to go to platform 1 and catch the train. I guess we'll go upstairs. We're at Central Station here, where all the trains come in. Light rail, regular trains. This is a beautiful station, and we are going to head out to the Blue Mountains. Well, here's the train we're taking. The New South Wales TrainLink. Here comes our driver. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. I forgot my glasses. We're going to the Blue Mountains, and we're ready to travel.
And all stations to Katoomba, and AUSTRAILIA.
We're in the town of Katoomba, and this is where we're going to see the Blue Mountains. The Clarentine Hotel, established back in 1880. Got a beer garden here, and we are 3,336 feet above sea level. Of course, nobody's out here drinking beer. And there it is, beautiful. Well, in Australia, you drive your vehicle from the right side, and then when driving on the highway, we almost hit that guy, we go on the left side of the road. Well, we're here at Echo Point, and you can't see it, but there's a tram ride over all that, which we're going to go on here shortly once we make our way over there. Everybody getting their picture taken in front of the Three Sisters. It is a cool, brisk 45 degrees up here. And welcome to Blue Mountains National Park. You find interesting little creatures along the way here. Well, you have a couple choices here. Three Sister Giant Stairway and the Honeymoon Bridge, which is moderate. Or the Valley Walking Track and Scenic World Valley Station is hard. So from the top down here to the Three Sisters, which we're almost at, is about a 20-minute walk down the path here. Not sure what kind of these white trees are, but these are really cool looking. The Three Sisters Giant Stairway officially opened back on October 1st of 1932. Well, you can walk down to the bottom like these people. I guess we'll go do that. Okay, we're going down. This camera probably won't tell you, but this is really steep. This is really steep. Woo-wee. Whoa. Definitely better watch your step. going down these things. I'm gonna cut this off. I might kill myself. Walk across Honeymoon Bridge and get your picture taken. Whew, I tell you, that climb from the Three Sisters up them stairs was really, really steep. Well, I'm not sure what kind of rock this is. It might be a sandstone or something. It's pretty soft. But as you can see, I carved my name in there, mark along with everybody else's as you go down the trail. Interesting how this tree grows right out of the rock like that. We're gonna jump aboard the Sky Tram. It's our driver, Jay.
Hello.
How you doing?
This looks very serious.
No. All right, we're hopping aboard. Whoa.
Right, okay, folks, welcome to the Scenic Skyway. My name's Jay, I'm your driver. Taking you on a journey across the top of the Jameson Valley over to the east side. I'll try to point a few things out to you as we go. You've opted for the shiny disco dance floor in the middle that some of you have. Look down now. That are around the front of us there, from the Three Sisters up onto the Kingstown Cliffs, and then down into Katoomba Valley, up onto Mount Solitary. Aiming into spring, even though we're still a month away from the official spring. But while you're over here on the east side, you'll notice there's quite a lot of bungee over the valley floor. Look there, press the right button. If I press the wrong one, we have a few people bungee underneath the cabin right there. That button does exist, everybody.
The world's steepest railway. Everybody start reading. Select your ride, laid back, original, or cliffhanger. Amazing how steep this is. We'll just wait for the train. Here's some mining tools they used back in 1898. One of the old coal mining operations that started back in 1878. Danger, keep out. You can see the old rails. And still one of the original coal mining cars. Interesting facts as you walk along the path here. The 5-leaf water vine. One strand, 20 millimeters in diameter, will support a family car. So those vines right there can support your car. Our last sky ride, this will be the one From the top down here to the bottom where we're at, after we did that nice scenic walk through the woods here. Off to the right, you can barely see it, just beyond that high rock was the last skyway we took.
Alrighty guys, welcome on board the cableway. Hope you're having a nice afternoon. My name's Byron, I'm the driver. I press some buttons and talk your ear off, that's all I do.
Yeah, I can tell.
Now I'll point out all the main things as we go. We have Katoomba waterfall out the front and to the right. Don't expect to see Niagara Falls, guys. It's pretty hard to see.
Yeah, because the waterfalls.
But that's what a waterfall is in Australia. If we have had some rain, it can look quite nice. Bit of a torrent going over there. But it hasn't run dry in over 40,000 years.
40,000! That's a really long time.
That is. Three Sisters as well on your right.
It was a good day here at Blue Mountain National Park. Did the 2 sky rides, the one fairly steep scenic train ride, which was nice, and the scenic walk through the woods there. Really interesting things along there, and saw the coal mine back in the late 1800s. So now we're going to head back into town and catch the train into Sydney. The train back to Sydney. Let's go ahead and get our spot before the crowd gets on. And we'll sit in one of these private spots. Go downstairs. I think we're gonna go up top, where that gentleman's at. Well, this is our last stop. We're at the International Airport where the hotel's at. So after about a 2.5-hour train ride from the Blue Mountains, we're gonna call this a day. And on that note, traveler out.